Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about Laozik Laser Pen. So you should buy this product or not, and is this really worthy for you or not. So in this video we will cover lots of information. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you Laozik is not a brand. This is a dropshipping name, and when you visit on internet there are lots of product available, or lots of websites is selling the same product like Laozik Laser Pen. And you can see there are some more websites who are selling same product with different name like Kids Need Laser Pen, and you can say Laozik, and on amazon.com you can say Bikenda. The the product is same, each and every product is same, the name is different. It means this is a dropshipping product, okay? And the product is also available on amazon.com. So if we talk about you should go with this product or not, so no, you should not use, because you have to use this product on your skin. So you can see over here, you have to treat your skin with laser treatment, and in some conditions laser treatment may be cause cancers. So you need to be very careful. Without doctor consultation you should not treat your skin with laser treatment, okay? So this is the first concern. Now let's talk about second thing, that is like product. The product is not looking legit, it's a totally dropshipping product, so you should not trust, okay? So this is also another big concern. Now let's talk about side effects. Maybe this product is provide you some kind of side effects, or maybe your skin face some kind of side effects. In that case, what you will do, how you can get refund, or how you can get compensation. There is no such type of website available where you can get compensation against your skin damage. So this is also another big concern. Now let's talk about you should go with this product or not. My recommendation is not. My recommendation is 0%, okay? So if we talk about what are the major red flags, so these are the major red flags. If you are going to purchase this product on any websites, you can say like there are lots of websites available. So if you are going to purchase this product on any other websites, then maybe in future you will face some kind of side effects related to product return and refund. Maybe you have purchased product and if the product will not work, then in that case how you can get your money back? You will not get your money back because they did not provide any kind of return and refund, okay? So if we talk about another major red flag, that is like customer support. They will not provide any kind of customer support if you are going to purchase this product on any other unofficial websites, okay? And if we talk about third one, that is very most important, clinical trials. There is no such type of trials available which can prove this is really worthy product, okay? So there are several red flags. So if we talk about all red flags, the video will go longer and longer, so that's why I'm not going to tell each and everything. Just I want to tell you in short, this is not looking like a safe product for your skin, okay? So this is the information. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comments will helpful for lots of people, okay? So thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.